Good morning. I just want her to get used to the new bag. I chose this because she can lie down comfortably inside after the surgery, whereas the other bag will be very uncomfortable for her. So that's the main reason why I chose this one. And also I can ride, goes over my shoulder, and she can be on my lap. The bag can be on my lap. Just wanted to get used to it. Okay lah. Wow. The way they, this was with this, and I somehow figured it out lah. I deserve a medal from me. Surprise myself. I'm so glad that they delivered it in time. I kept on, chatting with the seller. Oh, what's the time? 11:10. I'm gonna have my second coffee. I really need a second coffee. Oh, squirrel going down the coconut tree. And it's gone. I packed some wet food, a plate, water for her siblings. I'm going to go visit your family. Your old house. Now whenever she looks out, I'm careful. There's the bee yesterday. We'll go and visit them first, and then I'll go to the tailor. I don't want to. The tailor's upstairs, next to our bike shop. Right next to our bike shop, there's a clinic, right? It's upstairs. So I need to go up the stairs. I don't want to carry all these things up. The water itself will be heavy. So I will do that today. Daddy won't be coming this afternoon. I told him the other day, said no need, I can manage. I can manage. I really want to cut down on rice. I told him I'll manage. Can have bread, biscuits. I need to buy coffee. You must make a list now. Coffee, Fisherman's Friend. Haven't had Fisherman's Friend for 2 days. Must make a list, and we'll go to Emart. Just wanted to get used to it now. She will have a cone, but okay lah, can open here, put her inside with the cone. We'll manage. See, sideways. Can. This is the medium size. Small, medium, large. Okay lah. Let her get used to it. Gone. Just saw herself. And we'll also, stop and ask for prices. There are a few hotels in front, budget hotels, boutique hotels. We'll go and find out. I'll never leave her. I can always make up for lost sleep. I can never make up for lost time with her. Okay, I stop first, huh? We love you very, very much. Must keep that door open. Then I don't bite everything you see lah. Don't bite everything you see lah. I must get something. Leave the door open. Try and get her to go in. More privacy, I feel. And the other one was transparent, right? And see through. This one No, after the surgery, she'll have more privacy. She can look out, but no, she doesn't have to be scared. People won't be able to look in. Ah, yeah. Okay, I stop first. Love you. I'll say good night to you now, just in case.